Another beautiful trending market. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. And I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like GBP JPY, Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen and many more. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So right now we can see that market is trading at 151.94. Yes, another beautiful trending market. The market is in uptrend beautifully, and the best part is market is still taking support at the 50 moving average. Yes, you can see that I have mentioned 50 moving average as a support here, and yes, 50 moving average is still a valid support for the market. In an uptrend market, okay, we just need to find the area of value and just be on the trend. So where is the area of value? Area of value is always near the support. I always say just find the area of value and grab it. So here what you need to do, then you just need to wait for the market to come down a little bit. Okay, market will come down eventually. Okay, come down a little bit. When market will be taking support at the 50 moving average, just observe the price. Okay, if you see that yes, price is still respecting the 50 moving average and market is about to bounce back again like this, then you can buy just above the 50 moving average, or wait for the stochastic RSI, which is in overbought zone right now. Wait for the stochastic RSI to come down. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in the oversold zone, and when it will be going up again, just look at the position of the price. If you see that yes, market is, or the price is still trading above the 50 moving average, then it's also a, or it will be a very good spot to buy. Okay, so just wait for the market. Okay, just so the first strategy is just wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average, take support, bounce back. If it bounce back, then buy. On second point is wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone, and when it will be going up again, just look at the position of the price. If you see that market is still respecting the 50 moving average and it is trading above the 50 moving average, just buy. And the target is simple: be on the trade as long as the market is trading above the 50 moving average. So these are the simple strategies that you need to follow for British pound Japanese yen for 18th March. See, the things are always very simple in an uptrend market. So you just need to follow a simple strategy to make money from the uptrend market. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, and do subscribe.